Welcome students. Today we read our third chapter for class 7. I am your teacher Nitish Kumar. Today I am welcome you in our computer classes. Today we read our third chapter, the chart in MS Excel. MS Excel, the spreadsheet program. Today we read the charts in MS Excel. So how can we create a simple chart in MS Excel? But first of all we have to know what is a chart. So the pictorial presentation of data is called as chart. As you see here, a pictorial presentation of data is known as chart. But for this we have to create a chart first. So I am using a chart which I already created for me. Okay, there is no chart, so first we have to create a chart. Name, class, role, and then some subject we put math, science, SST, English, and then Hindi. And then we also put some data in this. For example, first boy name is Ram. He read in your class 7. His roll number is 23. He got some number in math, some in science, some in SST, some in English, and some in Hindi. Again, a boy whose name is Mohan. He also read in your class. His roll number is 14. Now he got some numbers. Okay, I am putting one more data for Raju. He is also reading class 7. His roll number is 15. He is having some data. So now we have some data. But how can we create a chart? So remember, for creating a chart you have to select your whole data for a single time. Now I am selecting my data and then go in insert tab, choose your chart. Whenever just for example I want to create a column chart, so I am choosing the chart. There is some chart designs. I am choosing a chart like this. But there is a problem. The roll number is also come with this one, but we don't want the roll number. So how can we solve this problem? For this problem it's very easy. Go to the your data. When you have two-sided arrow, then click the left mouse button and drag it to the math side or the number side. Now see, we don't have the roll number. So this is a simple way to create a chart. But first of all we have to know which type of chart we have. So we have so many different type of charts. We have the column chart, we have the line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart. So there is so many type of chart we have. We can create any one of them. For example, I am selecting a data this time and I want to create a bar chart on this. So I am going in a bar chart and select the chart style, and then we have a chart. So when we create a chart, by default we have two more tabs. When we click outside, then the tabs are gone. When we click on the chart, then we again have the two more tabs. What is the use of these two tabs? First, in design, there is so many design for your chart. Okay, anything which you want to choose, you can choose from here. Okay, so simply click on this, or we can change the chart format or the style by ourselves. Okay, for it's very easy. Go in a format tab. For this one, go in a format tab and click on the background. For example, if you want to change the background, click on the background and change the click on a save field. There is so many color. If you choose any color, then it's your background. We can put the pictures also in background. Go in a pictures, work offline. If you have this type of problem, then work offline. Choose any picture, just like I'm putting my pictures in this place. Okay, there is so many pictures. For example, I want this picture out in the background. I'm clicking on it and then insert. Now you see the picture is on the background. Now how can we change our chart style? I'm creating a bar chart, but somebody comes out from the area and told me I don't want the bar chart, I want a column chart. So how can we change the chart style? So simply click on the chart, go in a design. Okay, and there's some chart type, change chart type. We have the change chart type. Go here and simply choose the chart style. For example, I'm choosing the column. Then we have the two types of column chart is here for this one. Now we have the column charts. Okay, so that's way we can change the chart type. For example, now I want to change the style of the chart for one column. I'm only selecting the yellow one. When I click on the yellow one, then you see I'm clicking one yellow, then all the yellow are selected. When I click on the blue color, then all the blue color are selected. But I want only one blue color, but only one building. So what can we do? Then we click 2 times on a single building, 1 2. Okay, then we can change the design of only one window. Go to your area and change the shape effect. This time I'm changing the shape effect. Look, this one is more different from the anyone or the rest of them. Or if you want to change the everyone with this same style, then click on the data. Okay, or I am selecting this one this time and change the style for this one. I want to give some glow. Okay, look, there is some glow. So this is the way to how to create a chart. But how can we see a chart? एक chart को देखेंगे कैसे, समझेंगे कैसे? How can we understand a chart? So there is so many things as we read in our previous classes how to understand a chart. But today I will teach you one more time. RAM, there is a RAM class 7. First one is for math. It's written here. Math. Blue is for math. Orange is for science. Gray is for SST. Yellow is for English, and the blue one is for Hindi. Now we have the sky blue math. He have the not more than 60. It's more than 50 because it's the 40 to 60. So it's more than 50, but don't more than the 60. Now we see what number he have. He have the 56. So that's why we can read a chart. The most important thing, how to create a pie chart. It's very difficult, and this time we also see the stepwise how to create a chart. For creating a chart, one more time, select your data. First, I am selecting the data and go to the insert tab. I am going in insert tab, and where we go in charts group. Where we go in charts group. Select the pie chart and the chart design what you want. For example, I want the 3D style. I am choosing this one. But look, we are selecting the whole data, and we have the chart for only one person, including roll number. If I don't want the roll number, then change the roll number style. Change the roll number. Now the roll number is removed from here. Now when we have a pie chart, we have only one data. So remember one thing, pie chart is only for a one person. When you create one pie chart, then you have to data of only one person. Now we can also, so many things are there. For design area, we can change the design of the chart as we already see.